Today we will start next chapter of mathematics. What's the name of chapter? Polynomials. Chapter 2. First chapter we have done, and it's my suggestion you can solve complete chapter and solve question coming in board exam last 10 years if you want to get full marks in that chapter. So second chapter name is polynomial. So today we will do what? Some definition which are used in this chapter. Understood? So we can start now. So this is first definition. First definition is what? Chapter name already told you, polynomial. So first definition is what? What is variable? A variable which is not constant, or we can say whose value change according to the situation. Understood? Whose value change according to the situation. Like this, we are having 6x. So what you can say about this? Here x is a variable. X is a variable whose value changed. If we can take x equal to 1, then 6 into 1, this is equal to 6. If x equal to 2, then 6 into 2, this is equal to 12. So what's the definition of variable? Whose value change according to the situation, or we can say which is not remain same. Understood? Actually, we are talking about here what? Polynomial. So, one by one I will tell definition. You can take example like this also, 7x square plus 5x plus 6. So here, which one is the variable? Here, x is a variable. Value of this, if you can take this polynomial equal to here x, why we written? Because variable in this algebraic expression is x. So what? Variable whose value changed according to the situation and which is not constant. As usual, variable we are taking in this way. Understood? So example 2 given to you, I have written xyz, it's are using in it. I have written 7z. So it's meaning what's variable here? 7z is a variable. Its value depend on the situation. It can be changed. Then next definition is what? Constant. Constant is opposite of the variable which remains same in all condition, whose value not changed. Understood? So 6x, like this we have written, I have taken this x, 6x. So I told you x is a variable here and 6 is a constant. 6 never change, its value remains same. You can write like this, 6x square plus 7x plus 5. So 5 is a constant here. 5 is a constant here. Its value not change. This also constant, this also constant. So you have to understand first basic of this chapter, then we will start. If you can understand basic once time, then no problem later on. So I told you two things. One is the variable, other is the constant. Variable whose value change. Constant remain as it is. And if chapter name polynomial, so it's meaning we are talking about what? Algebraic expression. Later on I will discuss what is algebraic expression. That's also important question. If you don't know what this is variable, this is constant, then how can able to solve question? So first try to understand it. I told you what is variable, what's constant, And then third one, what's that? Coefficient. What's coefficient? Which is coming in front of the variable is known as coefficient of that variable. Understood? A number coming in front of a variable, that one is known as the coefficient of that variable. I have written 7x square plus 6x plus 7. Here 6 is the what? Coefficient of x. What about 7? 7 is the coefficient of x square. What about this? Is it also a coefficient? Yes, we can say. We can write this last one x power 0. So we can say 7 is the coefficient of x power 0. All these are constant also. Understood? 3 definition told you what's variable, what's constant and what's coefficient. So here what we can say, x is a variable here. And what about this? This is an algebraic expression. This one is a algebraic expression. Another example you can take 6x plus 7. So here 6, this 6 is what? Coefficient of x. What's the 7? 7 is the coefficient of x power 0, which is equal to 1. What's x here? X is variable here. Which one is constant here? 7 is a constant here, 6 is a constant here. Their value never change, remain as it is in all situations. So I told you, I think you understood this. Yes or no? Now coming important definition. Complete algebra depend on it. Complete algebra depend on it. What is algebraic expression? So algebraic expression, so we can say here constant and variable. Constant you know, variable you know. Here constant and variable are connected with the 4 basic operation of mathematics. 4 basic operation of mathematics. So these are the basic operation of mathematics. All of you know. So anywhere constant and variable are connected with these 4 basic operation of mathematics, that one is known as algebraic expression. If you can say graduation student, what is algebraic expression? Not able to tell. But this is the basic of algebra. This is the basic of algebra. Without this, not able to move in this chapter or in algebra. So how can I have written 6x? So 6 and x are connected by this basic operation of mathematics. That is multiplication, that's become 6x. So what you can say? 6x is an algebraic expression. 7 is also an algebraic expression. Why? 7 is connected with this basic operation of mathematics, where 7 is what? Constant and x power 0 is an variable. Which value remain as it is. Then this example we have taken 7x square plus 5x. This one is also an algebraic expression. Anywhere constant and variable are connected with the 4 basic operation of mathematics, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. So that one is an algebraic expression. If you can look here, so this basic operation applying here. Which one? Here 2 basic operation applying. With which? Multiplication and plus. So what's algebraic expression? Algebraic expression we can say where constant and variable are connected with 4 basic operation of mathematics. What are these four basic operations of mathematics? Plus, minus, multiplication and division. Then this example given, 6x cube plus 7. So if we can talking about, is it an algebraic expression? Definitely it is an algebraic expression. Here constant and variable are connected with what? Multiplication and plus 7. And if we are talking about which one is the variable here, x is a variable here. X is a variable here. And 7 and 6 are constant. Their value never change. But if able to understand its basic, easily able to solve question. If not understood this, it create a problem. So many example you can take. I have taken this 7x plus 3 is an algebraic expression, definitely an algebraic expression. 8y cube plus 7y square plus 6, is it an algebraic expression? Definitely an algebraic expression connected with four basic operation of mathematics. X plus y plus 6, is it algebraic expression? Definitely algebraic expression. X I have written, is it an algebraic expression? Yes, definitely it is an algebraic expression. Why? Because x we can write like this. So constant this and variable this connected with this operation of mathematics. Understood? Anywhere constant and variable are connected with each other with four basic operation of mathematics, then easily we can say this is an algebraic expression. So what's this? 6 by x is an algebraic expression. Definitely algebraic expression. Definitely a algebraic expression. X by 7. Definitely algebraic expression 1 by 7 into x by 1. This how can we write? 6 into 1 by x. Or this we can write 6x power this. Definitely algebraic expression. So we can say here constant and variable are connected with the four basic operation of mathematics. That one is known as algebraic expression. There are so many examples. I told you, if any problem, then tell me through comments. Next coming term. Try to understand the difference between term and algebraic expression. Algebraic expression already I told you, where constant and variable are connected with the four basic operation of mathematics. Here what? Where constant and variable are separated by the two basic operation of mathematics. Two basic operation of mathematics meaning plus and minus. And what's variable? Here constant and variable are connected with the four basic operation of mathematics. Then question coming in our mind, first taking an example, this 3x. Is it a term? Definitely a term. This we have written like this. Its meaning is this. Understood? So, this 6x plus 5, yes, this is also term. 7x plus 8, definitely a term. Side by side you can check. Are these also algebraic expression? Yes, this is also algebraic expression. This is also algebraic expression, and this also an algebraic expression. Then this 9y square plus 8y plus 7. So check one time, this is an algebraic expression. Definitely it is an algebraic expression. So satisfying the condition of term, yes, satisfying the condition of term also. Then what's the difference between term and algebraic expression? So we can say an algebraic expression contain one or more than one terms. One or more than one terms. It's contain only one term. This algebraic expression, this contain how many terms? 2. What? One is this separated by this. This also contain how many terms? 2. This 1, 2, and 3. But all are algebraic expressions. If anybody is saying to you, what's the difference between term and algebraic expression, then easily you can say, where in an algebraic expression contains one or more than one term. Term you understand, where constant and variable are separated by the two basic operation of mathematics, that one plus and minus. But in algebraic expression, constant and variable are connected, these four basic operation of mathematics. So try to understand the difference between terms and algebraic expression also. So next, monomial polynomials. Before this, I want to tell one term 6x, 7x, 7, 3y, 4z, 5z, 6x, already written, 7x, 8y. How many terms? One term, one term, one. So monomial, if an algebraic expression contain only one term, is called monomial polynomial. Monomial you can say. Example written 6x, 7, 8y, all are the example of monomial. If an algebraic expression contain two term, then what's name of that? Then saying binomial. What saying? Binomial. So example given 6x plus 5. 6x plus 5. How many terms? One term is this, another term is this, separated by this basic operation of mathematics. We can write like this also, 6x minus 5. So one term is this, one term is this. This also contain how many terms? Two terms. If an algebraic expression contain two terms, then that expression is known as binomial. What's binomial polynomials? You can see. Example this is an example which contain two terms. This is also an example which contain two terms. This is also an example of contain two terms. Its meaning, you know definition of term here. Constant and variable are separated by the two basic operation of mathematics. Here, look one time, separated by this basic operation of mathematics. One term is this, another term is this. What you can say about 8x square? Is it an algebraic expression? Definitely. 7 is also an algebraic expression. That's why I'm saying an algebraic expression contain one or more than one term. If contain two terms, then binomial. If contain three terms, then saying trinomial. What saying? Trinomials. Contain three terms. This example we have taken. Here, check one time. Two basic operation, two operation of plus. Here, look one time. Contain three terms. Here also look. Two terms. So how many example? Infinite number of example. With that you can show. If contain one term, monomials. Example 6x. If contain two term, this is known as. If contain two term, binomials. If contain three terms, then what you can say? What you can say? Trinomials. And all are algebraic expression. That's why I'm saying, what's the difference between terms and algebraic expression? An algebraic expression contains one or more than one terms. Understood? Trinomial also understand, and if contain how many? Four terms. How many terms? Four terms. Then that algebraic expression is known as quadrinomials. What's it? Quadrinomials. Understood? Example. This is an example. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1. It's meaning 4. 4 terms. You can find out. This also you can take 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 1. Count how many times plus and minus used in the algebraic expression. Plus 1, that's the number of term. Otherwise, you can find out 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, and 4 term. Here also you can look. 1, 2, 3. So what's term? 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. So you can write many examples as you want. So I think you understood till here. What's first I told you what's the constant, what's the variable. Then I told you what's coefficient. Then I told you what's algebraic expression. Then I told you what terms. Then I told you what's difference between terms and algebraic expression. Then I told you types of terms. If an algebraic expression contains 1 term, what is that? If contain 1 term only, monomials. If contain 2 terms, binomials. If contain 3 terms, trinomials. If contain 4 terms, what saying? Biquadratic. And if more than 4, you can say polynomial. These are also polynomial, that one also polynomials. Now coming here, types of polynomial according to the degree of a polynomial. First, we will try to understand what's the degree of a polynomial. Degree of polynomial meaning highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Which one variable? Whose value change according to the situation. So here we have written 6x square plus 7x. So check, it is an algebraic expression, definitely an algebraic expression. How many terms? 2 terms. Yes or no? Then tell what's the highest power of the variable. If nothing written, its meaning 1 is here and 2 is here. So highest power of the variable is 2. So here degree of the given polynomial is 2. This is known as the degree of the polynomials. Highest power of the variable is known as the degree of the polynomial. I have written 7x plus 6x cube plus 4x square plus 8x power 4. So what's the degree of this polynomial? It's power 1, it's power 2, it's power 3, it's power 4. So highest power what? 4. So 4 is the degree of this polynomial. 4 is the degree of this polynomial. So in this way we can find out, again polynomial, we can divide according to the degree. According to the degree of the polynomial. What's the degree of the polynomials? So what's the degree of the polynomials? If 1 degree, that one saying linear polynomial. What saying? Linear polynomial. So we will discuss about this 2 polynomial, sorry, degree 2, then quadratic polynomials. 3 degree, cubic polynomial. 4 degree, biquadratic. So in this chapter, polynomial, what's given? 2 degree polynomial given. Polynomial having degree 2. And we can find out zeros of that polynomials. About linear polynomials, we have done in 9th class. So tomorrow we will start, what we will start? Degree of the polynomial, I told you. And whose degree 1, whose degree 2, I will tell about that and then tell you how can find out the zeros of the polynomials. So you can revise it. If any problem, you can discuss with me. Thank you all of you.